Hey Jay, hey guys, so this is a demo for the boxes. So basically BE 38 and 39. So this allow customers to set up boxes as well as allow customers to consolidate items in the boxes. So basically I created a care box service, so it gets all the carriers, gets a single carrier, has a carrier creator update carrier box, and delete as well, just standard stuff. And then I also have consolidate items. So basically consolidate items takes in a few product items that has dimensions and then calculates it based on all the carriers. So the way that works is basically, so initially you'll create a carrier. So I currently have, I think, 2 carriers. So I'll create a new one, super container. With 500 dimensions and feet. So send that in. Success is true, and you get all carriers. Should be able to get that super container feet. You can get a specific carrier by specifying an ID. Get that, and you can also same way for update and stuff like that. So basically the consolidate items is the thing that's really tricky. It might need some validations on the unit still, because the algorithm doesn't provide specific units, so we need to add it in. But basically the way it works is I'm using this algorithm, this package 3D container, which basically you have a container, and then you have a list of items, and then it creates an algorithm for packing. So it returns a set of, so what it returns is a package output, which basically contains the carrier name, carrier ID, and then if it packed all the items or there are items that are unpacked, and then the packed items are just basically product ID, product name, and the quantity. So you can specify that. So consolidation items takes in a few product items. Product ID is basically, I think, a Shopify name or any product ID, product name, and then the dimension, unit, and the quantity that's going to be packed. So the way that works, it gets all the carriers. So it gets all our carriers, creates an algorithm and packs it, and then just basically renders it into a proper output. So for this sample, so you have like one item, a small item, and then a very small item with 2 quantity, and then we got that super big item that we're trying to pack. So it's how many? 1, 2, 3. So we're trying to pack 4 items. If we send consolidate, so we get the results. So in the first box, basically the first container, it was able to pack the small item, the big item, the very tiny item, and then the very very tiny item. So it packed 2 of them, and there was 1 item in the consolidation that wasn't able to unpack. I think mainly because it's a really big item. Yeah, this one just has like 120 and 200. So and then in the second box, which is a bit bigger, same thing. It got the small item, the big item, and then 2, and then it was still unable to pack the very big item. because it doesn't fit in the dimension. So, and then for the super container that we had, it was able to pack this, the two tiny items, two quantity, and then it was able to pack the bigger one because it allowed it to host this, because that container is it has like 500 dimensions. So yeah, it needs, I think, validation on units, basically because it doesn't have a standard unit, unless we're picking up on just one unit on items. We need to either convert different units into something else. So let me know if you want me to work on that, or we'll just have a standard unit for consolidating items and creating boxes. All right, cool, thanks.